Today, we're going to discuss 3 key benefits for using a high-level, low-level board structure within Monday.com. First, I'm just going to show you what it is, and then we're going to talk about the benefits for your business. So let's jump in.
Hi, my name is Tara, and I'm a certified Monday.com partner and the founder of Simpleday. My goal is to help you build powerful yet simple workflows with Monday.com. If you need help with a custom implementation, my contact details are in the description below. Let's jump into today's tutorial and make Monday the best part of your week.
Before we jump into 3 key benefits of having this high-level, low-level structure, let's just review what it is. A high-level board is a board that gives you an overview of something going on in your business. So here we're going to talk about projects. So a high-level board would give you an overview of all of the projects that you have going on within your company. A low-level board gives you all of the details and like the nitty-gritty that you need to do for that project. So you can have a number of low-level boards, or you can just have low-level tasks on one task board. But essentially, we have a high-level board that talks in general. You have 5 websites that you need to build. You have 4 weddings you need to plan. You have 5 webinars you need to plan. Whatever it is, it gives you like the overall, and then the lower level board or boards gives you the details of those projects. So now that we understand what the structure is, let's talk about what the benefits are. The first benefit is that you can easily understand how to allocate time for your projects. So you can see here on this high-level board, which is called high-level projects, and then here I have 2 low-level boards that I have 2 projects really: build a website and plan a company event. Now, if I want to leverage these boards to benefit running my company, I can look at what is my estimated time for these projects and then what's my actual time. So I'm comparing that information. But on a high level overview board, I have that important information, which is a huge benefit because I can see this project we're expected to take 20 hours. We're already tracking on 15 hours. This project we're expecting to take, 500 hours. This is what we're up to. By having the structure of a high-level board and a low-level board, we can see estimated time versus actual time. The second thing we can track is budget. And you can see here that there's a column for budget. These columns are actually pulled in from the low-level board. So we have the tasks that actually need to be done for project number 1, and you can see that I've created a budget based on that. So again, as someone running a company, I can see, okay, here's my project, and here's my budget against that project on the high-level board. So the advantage is that you have this bird's eye view of the budget of all of your projects. The next thing that's really important and a key benefit of having this setup is managing your resources. Now, I can see which resources are assigned to which project, and then I can use that to plan. Like if I see that Tara is on 2 projects, and I also, because I've set up the boards properly, have the estimated time. So therefore I know she doesn't have time to do something else, or I can see that she has a lot of time. There is also a workload widget, which I do recommend checking out because you can use this to help you. So just to review 3 benefits of having this high level, low level structure. Number 1, you can manage your time or your employees' time. Number 2, you can manage your budget. And number 3, you can manage your resources. I know that the high level, low level structure is a bit confusing. So you can see a link to a course that we recently launched that gives you every single thing that you need to know about setting up a high level, low level structure.
Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video, and remember to subscribe to receive tips and tricks on how to use Monday.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.